Welcome back to Rose Driven Rides. It's another day in the shop. Today we're bringing to you new hubs. We're going to try to get this done in, I think, what may be 6 steps. If you have a truck, Jeep, GM product, anything that has a Dana 44, these are pretty universal kits. This is what you're looking at. And these pop right into the Dana 44 without any clocking like some of the other hubs on the market. So if you want to do yourself a favor and change hubs, you want to do it the easy way without having to get into the complications of clocking, go with the Warren Premium as I just showed you. This is going to be the way to go. It's going to be universal fitting for all those, and it'll save yourself some headache. Part number on this is 20990. Ready to get started, Ike?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it!
Yeah. All right, step 1, get yourself a 3.5, and then you want to take off all of these bolts. If you guys can tell, these are the original ones that came on the truck. They even have the original Ford stamping on them, which is pretty cool. We're gonna keep these, not getting rid of them. So, all you wanna do is take all of these off with your 3.5. All right, now that you have the cover off, you wanna go ahead and hit step 2 by taking off this snap ring right here in the middle. There's also another snap ring on this outer edge that you want to just take out. Now that you have your snap rings out, we can move on to step 3, which is removing the hub assembly. It's pretty easy. You just want to screw in like 2 or 3 screws, and you can just pull on it and it'll come out. Might be a little tough, but it will.
There it is.
Okay, now that you've pulled this out and the whole assembly has followed it, that is it for disassembly, and now we can assemble it. All right, everybody, now that we're done with that, we can move on to step 4. Here is the new hub itself. It comes pre-greased, as you can tell, but just for peace of mind, we're going to grease this inner race right here where it pushes in, and then these outer teeth, just to make it just a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and lube that up. Okay, so you just want to work that grease in the inner race. You just want to push it in. All right, now you got that greased up. You just want to grease up your outer teeth.
Like Michael Jackson.
Your one cool glove.
Yeah.
Now that it's all lubed and greased up with the assembly grease, you can just shove it back in. Make sure it goes this way, splines first. Okay, now we can move on to step 5, which is all of your snap rings. So this is an outer one, it just goes along the outer edge. Snap that in. And then now you want to get your smaller snap ring that goes onto this middle part right here. You'll see a kind of a ledge on the inside. Okay, step 6 is putting on the cover. If you want, you can put like 1 or 2 screws beforehand. Makes your life a lot easier. Just want to find the holes. All right, final step, get these tight. There you go, you've got Warren hubs. It's pretty easy install, it's not that hard at all. Return, go into free lock. Now that you've got your new Warren hubs, get out there, start off-road and test these suckers out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Stay driven.